Hey there, this is Ari from Lila Ann Beads, and I would like to show you a very simple bead you can make at home that will really dazzle. First, take your core bead and 2 bead caps. Insert a rod or skewer to hold everything together until you've secured it with the wire. Use 26 or 24 gauge wire and wrap it twice through 2 points of the bead caps to secure them together. Come out the left side of the wire before bringing it to the right, where you will add your beads. This will prevent one side from being lower than the other. Add your crystals to the wire in a silver, fuchsia, silver pattern, or any combination you prefer. Pull your wire to the right between the center of the bead cap points before looping it through both points twice. Repeat this step 4 more times. You can remove the skewer when you feel the bead is secure. Now you have a super cute and unique bead that was made by you. Play around with the bead types and colors to make your own design.